PV number one actually was the movie where I went to Kamalji and asked for the remake, and he said, you know, Lakshmi has worked in this movie. Who is the heroine you're going to take? So I said Karishma Kapoor. He was little angry and annoyed also. What are you doing? You know what is Karishma Kapoor? She's a beautiful girl. The character doesn't suit. Then finally I requested him, sir, after the movie just tell me whether she's suiting or not. Because I'm going to make her, you know, mother of two kids, oil in the air, like a typical BV. And it was the biggest hit of the Bollywood industry in 1998. And my first movie was Chinna Maple. And honestly, till today I don't know Tamil. But that was the day I saw the movie and decided my career. Ki I want to start the Hindi movies from this movie. And today is the first Tamil movie which I'm going to launch now. So first Chinna Maple and then this one. Now you can ask any question if you want.
Why you are coming Tamil film?
See, why is it is business first thing, and second thing, Tamil industry is a basically South industry, and I, out of my 31 movies, I have made almost 8-9 South Indian movies, and South is a very good part of my. I started my career with Coimbatore and Bangalore selling saris also, so sometimes the South connection is there. Like I have made 6 movies with my son, and my first movie of my son, it's in Tamil. He's going to come in Mohini, very small role. So maybe some connection is, that's why people come here.
Why did it take 20 years for you to come from Bollywood to Collywood?
No, it's not 20 years. I'm being here. I've done a lot of movies. I'm taking and making that mix there. But you need a proper partner. You need a proper partnership, people. Today we have got good people. By coming from Bombay, whom do you meet? How do you meet? Suddenly last year we met Ramesh and Ganesh. So now I think, I have a proper guy here. We can do the business. And Chakrit already for sure, because I met him 6 years back in Bombay. And he was saying, let's make a Bollywood movie. But somehow I don't know how a chance came and I started my Tamil movie with him. And then I made the same remake, same time. This will be the first time in history that before releasing the movie, that Hindi movie has also been finished.
We're going to select a Tamil director for this movie, Jagasniga. We are from getting Chakrit already.
See, there's no language actually for Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam or Hindi. It's a cinema. Cinema is always blind. So we only sell this is Tamil, this is Telugu. There are so many people. Like Prabhu is Tamil, but he's doing Hindi good films. So you have to have good directors, good actors, good technicians, and good content. And today Tamil Nadu, I'll tell you, the South people are making best of content. That's why we are making the remakes in Bollywood.
How did you choose this content? It appears to be a thriller.
Yeah, definitely. See, this is today what people want. Youngsters, what they want actually. That's why we have to make it. The movies have never been made for producers. They are made for people. And sometimes we go success, sometimes we go wrong also. That's all luck. But when Chakri Toleti narrated me the script, I was really thrilled. And as the 10th day of shooting happened, immediately I said, Chakri, can we make this movie in Hindi? He said, should we release first and then make? No point. When I have full confidence in you and in your script, let's start the movie. ASAP, I called all the actors in Bollywood. They agreed the dates. We finished Tamil movie, we took a break for 5 days, we changed the location and we start the movie, and that movie is almost in the finishing stage.
Sir, which hero from Tamil Nadu would you prefer to make them act in Bollywood? Do you have any specific actor from Tamil Nadu?
See, my whole thing is today I was talking to Sureshji also. Today till what happens, we take movies for remake and we go to Salman, we go to Akshay Kumar, we go to anybody. Why not any actor? Why? There's no actor. Ajit can do, as every actor can do. That's why I'm saying when there is content is good. Actor is all secondary. They can work. Like today, if I'm starting this, definitely within few months, I'll go to actor and say, I'll make Tamil, Telugu and Hindi with you. Now, actor has to be convinced to do Hindi. People will accept. Like Bahubali today, it has done more than, what business it has done in Bollywood. So today, actor films is all secondary. We have to take a call whether we should make in 3 languages, 4 languages or 5 languages. An actor has to be given that kind of time also with it.
Which is your latest favorite Tamil film which supposed to be remade in Hindi?
See, there are so many movies, I don't know the name very honestly, I'm telling you. Because names I know few which I take it. But when I see a lot of movies, we just see the content, this is a good movie, let's make it. Like this, I made it, Now, if you tell me what is the whole thing in Tamil, I can't tell you, but I know what is the story. That's why I made it in Hindi also.
Who is doing in Hindi, sir?
Sorry?
Who is doing in Hindi?
It's a hero-narrative film, it's a Duff and Dem basically.
Sir, who is doing in Hindi? Nayanthara character?
Nayanthara character Tamanna is doing.
Sir, I was pleased to hear when you were saying about our lady superstar Nayanthara's presence in Kaliyudirkalam. Please share this to our press also, sir.
She's a wonderful actress. I have worked first time with her, and I didn't say her, but I know indirectly I sent her the message कि you should do the Bollywood movie. I told gentleman today कि if she says yes, I'll start the movie next morning because she's a beautiful actress and wonderful actress. Sorry, what is it? Yeah, that's what my good luck, because my production company is Pooja and he's saying it's his home production, so I'm happy with it. He's a music director, he's a good friend of Chakri Toleti, and I met him once last time when I came to his house and I ate dosa and idli, everything. And I'm happy for Rameshji also. He feels that Pooja Films is also his film. So, I've not started my career, I have two families in Chennai.
சார் பாலிவுட்ல ப்ரமோஷனுக்கு வந்து தனியாக செலவழிப்பாங்க. பெரிய பெரிய ஆர்டிஸ்ட் ஹீரோவுன்னா வந்து சென்னையில் வந்து ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணுவாங்க. நயன்தாரா சென்னையிலே ப்ரொமோட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. எப்படி அவங்க
I didn't understand, but one thing I can understand. Now let me say this. If I'm wrong, you tell me. I've understood. Basically, Bollywood actors, they go for marketing, publicity, and Nayanthara is not doing it. This is the right way. Bollywood is going mad after the marketing publicity. If you want to sell your product, you don't have to market that much. South is the right word, I'm telling you. Slowly, the North has to follow South in this matter. Because every movie they are spending 25, 30, 40, 50 CR, which is not required. And your association is so strong in South. And in our industry, associations are good, but they don't take this kind of decisions. Am I right to answer? Correct, thank you. Sorry? No, not at all.
why you don't introduce Nayantara in Hindi? The same project.
That's what I'm saying. I wanted that she should do the movie. She has to accept the Hindi version. And she has to do the Hindi movie. She has to accept. I want to do it.
How do you connect Tamil? Yeah? Because you remake a lot of movie in Tamil.
See, we have to learn. Every guy has learning process. When I was 11 years old, I used to come to Chennai, buy saris from Tamil Nadu and go and sell in West Bengal. Today I'm here. So I've done everything in my life. Why not this one? And I made one of the top movies I've taken from South, whether it's Telugu, Tamil, and I've been successful without knowing the Bollywood industry. Chinna Maple, when I saw her first time, I used to see nothing. One guy came in my ear straight away. I was watching that, he was continuously in my ear, as if, I'm just birding it. And I liked the movie and bought it and I was successful. So it is only God who brings you here. There is some connection. Otherwise, why my son will get the South Indian movie? Why Tamil? Why not Bollywood? Why not some other movie? There must be some connection, maybe Pishla Janam, Agla Janam, whatever it is.
How do you juggle between two roles? That one as a builder and as a film producer?
See, if you do builder and film producer, it's the same thing. Film producer is the builder. And if you see the director, he's an architect. If he's a story writer, he's the same thing. So everywhere, if you see the creativity is same. Without creativity, you can't make the building. Without the labor, you can't make the building. Without art direction, you can't make the building. So it's almost a similar thing. But yes, you have to keep your mind, And most probably in Bombay, what happens? People start the work after 2 o'clock. So I do my building work from morning 9 to 2.
2 a.m. or p.m.?
No, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. I can agree.
Any idea of bringing Bollywood heroes to strike Tamil movie? Like planning to...
See, I'll tell you this very soon, everybody's going to do this. Like today I have come here. I remember Mr. Thanu, I met him during Kabali. He said, when people they go from south, they don't get that kind of, mileage. But today it's open. I think so. How I have come, 3 people who go from Tamil, 2 people again will come from, because last year what happened, Fox came, a lot of companies came. But individual producer, nobody came.
I'm asking about the stars, the Bollywood stars.
And that's what I'm saying. How producer came and they want to shoot with Tamil stars. Same way, when here will there, then automatic Tamil stars will come. Why? All the heroines are already coming. It's only actors. See, that is director's call. And when I started Tamil movie, I was not expected that I'll do Hindi. 5th of January, when Chakri Toleti reached London, we started the shooting. First week of February, we decided that we have to do Hindi. So then we said whom to take in this role, because we had to change the actors. 2 different movies, 2 different actors. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. It's a German actor, foreign actor.
ஏன் தமிழ் பிரபுதான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
That time it didn't come in my mind. Thank you so much.